Let us work out this. X plus 5 over 3 is equals to 7. So here this x put over 1, then we shall have the LCM of 1 and 3, and the LCM is 3. So 1 goes into 3, 3 times and 3 times x is 3x plus 3 goes into 3 once time, so we shall have 1 times x is x plus 5 is equals to 7. So 3x plus x is, we shall have 4x plus 5 over 3 is equals to 7. So we shall multiply both sides by 3. So here multiply by 3. So here also multiply by 3. So 3 here once 3 here shall cancel. So we shall have 4x plus 5 is equals to 21. So the next is to bring this 5 the other side, so it shall be subtract. So we shall have 4x is equals to 16. Then from there, we shall divide both sides by 4x. So we say over 4 over 4. So now here, 4 here once, 4 there once. 4 here once, 4 goes into 16, 4 times. So our x that we are looking for is equals to 4. So remember to subscribe and like. Thank you.